U.S. School Chemistry Fundamentals Quiz 18. Question 1. Which of the following is a zwitterion? A. Glycine. B. Glucose. C. Glycerol. D. Glycogen. Answer A. Glycine. Question 2. The IUPAC name of CH3CHOH CH2CHO is A. 2-hydroxypropanol. B. 2-hydroxybutanol. C. 3-hydroxypropanol. D. 3-hydroxybutanol. Answer D. 3-hydroxybutanol. Question 3. Which of the following is a non-reducing sugar? A. Glucose. B. Fructose. C. Sucrose. D. Maltose. Answer C. Sucrose. Question 4. The number of alpha hydrogens in acetaldehyde is A. 1. B. 2. C. 3. D. 4. Answer C. 3. Question 5. Which of the following is used as an anti-knocking agent? A. Tetraethyl lead. B. Ethyl alcohol. C. Methyl alcohol. D. Benzene. Answer A. Tetraethyl lead. Question 6. The coordination number in body-centered cubic structure is A. 4. B. 6. C. 12. D. 8. Answer D. 8. Question 7. Which of the following is an intensive property? A. Mass. B. Volume. C. Density. D. Enthalpy. Answer C. Density. Question 8. The number of unpaired electrons in Fe3+ is A. 1. B. 3. C. 5. D. 7. Answer C. 5. Question 9. Which of the following is a synthetic detergent? A. Sodium stearate. B. Sodium lauryl sulfate. C. Glycerol. D. Glycine. Answer B. Sodium lauryl sulfate. Question 10. The order of reactivity in Williamson synthesis is A. 1 degree greater than 2 degree greater than 3 degree. B. 3 degree greater than 2 degree greater than 1 degree. C. 2 degree greater than 1 degree greater than 3 degree. D. 1 degree greater than 3 degree greater than 2 degree. Answer A. 1 degree greater than 2 degree greater than 3 degree. If you got this 10 right too, you're a chemistry genius. Don't forget to subscribe and comment for more challenges.